From the roots of our excellence, we started a journey into the future. To create the most extraordinary experience in your car. A new era of sound.
Good day to you. My name is John Lammers and I work for Electromedia. At Electromedia, we design, we develop, and we produce high-quality audio components for more than 35 years. One of our brands is Audison, to which we say Istinto Innovativo, which basically means innovative by instinct. Audison stands for high-end audio quality. We always design no-compromise products by selecting the best quality components, which contributes to reach the world-famous Audison sound.